So, y'all, I'm picking up on someone's energy. So, Aries, this could be the person that, you know, you're dealing with or you were dealing with. Cross-watcher, this could be, you know, you dealing with an Aries. So, I feel like somebody's trying to heal a family situation. They could be healing from, like, childhood trauma, something that took place in their childhood. But this individual knows that you're the one that they want to be with, and they want to talk to you. They do want to have that heart-to-heart conversation with you. So, let's hop in. Let's see what's going on. Aries, general reading for Aries. Bottom of the deck, I have the Two of Swords reversed. So, it looks like someone made a decision. Alright, let's go. Tell me more, please. Ooh, King of Wands, and it went right on over there by this could be the one. So somebody's dealing with a fire sign, another Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But this person is very confident. They know what they want. They want to be with you. They know that you're the one. Okay, so tell me more. Yeah, but every time they want to say something to you, they don't. Maybe this person was being a player in the past, and they had that in and out energy with you, but they don't want to do the same thing. Like, they want to start something new with you. Tell me more. They just don't know how to say it. Look at that, the Hierophant. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus, but this person wants to have a commitment with you. This person wants to have a marriage with you. Could be dealing with the Capricorn, but, let me clarify that. Tell me about the Devil, please. What's going on? What's going on with the Devil here? What's going on? Justice. Yeah, okay. So, somebody feels like they're stuck in a toxic relationship or a toxic marriage. They want to be with you, but they got to get out of a situation and see, they know that they hurt you. They betrayed you. Could be dealing with a Libra. Clarify justice. But you know what's so interesting? When I was like shuffling for you guys, like just meditating, the release your ex card basically like jumped out twice. So yeah, this person is trying to get out of a situation. And it's like I'm seeing it here. Let's see. Yeah, this person knows that they didn't bring balance to a situation because they were stuck in something else. Whether it's, you know, with a love interest, if this is a relationship, or it's some type of commitment, a contract, something that they're trying to get out of. And that's why they've been moving slow. That's exactly why they've been moving slow. Tell me more. Oh, but look at, see what I'm saying? They're going to get out of it, guys. They're going to free themselves. So if this is like a relationship or a marriage, I'm telling you, they're going to be single. They're getting out of it. If this is like a family situation, they're definitely going to, you know, free themselves from it. So whatever it is, whatever, you know, your situation is, they're getting out. They are. They don't want to argue. I feel like at one point, they were definitely like kind of battling themselves because they want to be with you, but at the same time, because of whatever this situation is, they just kind of like chucked how they were feeling just deep down. It was just like, I'm just going to stay in this other situation because I'm here. But now they're like, you know what, I need to get out of it, you know, and they don't want to bring you any type of drama, any type of conflict. They don't want to argue with you. They don't. Look at that, Ace of Cups. This person is coming to give you an offer, Aries, and it's the offer that you deserve. But, see, with death here, somebody could be dealing with the Scorpio. This person's afraid that they're not going to have a new beginning with you. Clarify death, please. They know that they have to make some changes, see? Right now, they're afraid things may not improve. Clarify the Three of Pentacles reversed. Yeah, they're not talking to you right now. That's why it's like there's little to no communication. Because they are afraid that things may improve. But if they're in a relationship, a marriage, something codependent, maybe they've been like helping someone and maybe they're, you know, stressed out about their finances. You know, that could also be a factor. Tell me more. Because right now, it's like you're not hearing from this person. Yeah, see, I told you. They're stuck in something codependent. Tell me more. A third party situation. I mean, you can't make this up. they're stuck. They're feeling stuck in something codependent. And it's like, they know that they broke your heart. But yeah, there's a third party here. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo, but it's like, this is why this individual just does not have the strength to come towards you right now. Because they feel like they lost you for good. And they're frustrated by that. See, they're not happy. They're not happy in the situation that they feel stuck in. And they're not happy that they feel like they lost you for good. See, I'm telling you, y'all, this person, whoever this is resonating for, they want you back. They want to be with you. But there's a situation with this third party revolving money, revolving their finances. And this is why they're feeling stuck. Tell me more. Back and forth with the Queen of Cups. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But it's like, they know that they hurt you. And they don't know if you're going to speak up. Tell me more. Aries, see, it's you. You could be dealing with another Aries, but this person knows that they didn't bring stability into the situation. I do feel like they were being harsh towards you in the past. And see, now they want to rush back in because they want to fix this. They're coming out of being frustrated because of everything that they have done. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Virgo, but at the end of the day, this was their lesson. I've been seeing this a lot all day. People are going through their lessons. They're learning their lessons. So now this person is sitting back thinking. They're sitting back reflecting. The Two of Cups just tried to jump out of my hands. I'm telling you, they want a relationship with you. They want to have a commitment with you, Aries. They're coming back to apologize to you. They're just not confident. Didn't I tell y'all the Two of Cups was trying to come out? But it came out reverse. Right now, they're feeling like you're not going to accept this offer of commitment because of some type of family situation that they have going on. But they do want to come back and turn things around. But see, I'm telling you, they cause a lot of drama, a lot of mess, and they feel like you're not going to take them back. Tell me more. But they do want things to improve with you guys. They do. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. They just don't have any hope that things are going to improve because they repeatedly kept stabbing you in the back. They betrayed your trust. This is why they're not listening to their intuition. Because they feel like you don't want to put any more time, effort, or energy into them. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. Yeah, see, they walked away from you. They did ghost you. They left you hanging. And they're having a hard time with that. Tell me more. I'm telling you, they have to make some changes when it comes to that family. There's some type of family situation going on. Whether, you know, it's a immediate family, they're dealing with someone that they have a family with, or this is like childhood trauma they need to heal from. They have to make some serious changes, whatever your situation is. Tell me more. And until they do, that's why they're not moving forward. Because, see, they're still going through lessons. Tell me more. Yep. And it's like they're not moving forward because they feel like if they come towards you and give you this offer, you're going to turn them down. Because they did too much. But they want to speak their truth. Clarify the Tower in reverse. But they feel like if they tell you the truth, what's going on, how they're feeling, you're going to cut them off again. Somebody's dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. But they're coming out of being frustrated by this situation. Look at that. I have the King and the Queen of Swords. So, again, somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. But no matter what your sign is, I have a matching pair. It's like this is your soulmate. This is your person. And you guys are both reversed. So, it's like they're looking at you like you're done. You cut them off for good. They don't want you to cut them off. Tell me more. It's like you guys are not on the same page. See? Ooh. Y'all, I'm seeing 1111. Why? Y'all, this is your person. For some of you that this is resonate, this is your person. And at the end of the day, they didn't bring balance into the situation. And it's like you had no choice but to cut them off. You had to, you know, stand your ground, set your boundaries, and walk away from them because you were doing everything and they didn't even put in 100%. Now it's like this person, they made a decision about you. They want to be with you, but they're having a hard time right now because they're regretting everything that they put you through. Everything. So that's why they're removing themselves from that third party, because they know that you're the one that they want to be with at the end of the day. But you're hurt. They feel like you're still hurt by it. You're still disappointed. But they do want to move forward with you. Clarify. Somebody's dealing with the Cancer. I do feel like they made a decision. What's their decision, Spirit? They're going to put in the work. I'm telling y'all, this person's coming back. They're going to put in the work to win back your heart. See? You're going to get the offer that you deserve from him. I said him. Ooh. Okay, you're going to get an offer that you deserve from this person. Some of you guys could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But see, they feel like you don't want to build with them anymore. Tell me more. Back and forth with the Four of Wands, see? They want to have a happy home with you. They do want stability with you. They just feel like you don't want it with them anymore. See, there's a lot. This person is in their head. It's like they're keeping a close eye on you, but at the same time, they do want to move forward with you, but they don't want you to look back at what took place in the past. Tell me more. Clarify the Page of Swords. Why did it come out like that? Let's see. Yeah, see? They're afraid that they're not going to be able to have a new opportunity with you. Okay. But you're going to get the offer that you deserve. There's an offer coming in, but see, this person's worried. They can't sleep. Because it's like they're back and forth with the Eight of Cups. They don't want you to walk away from them. But they're afraid that if they come back to give you this offer that you're walking, you're done. See, back and forth with the King of Cups. This person, they're definitely emotional. But they're going to have to speak up. They're going to have to tell you how they're feeling. See, they're sad. Why is the Five of Cups here? Because they want a new beginning with you. Clarify the Empress. That was weird how that just went back over, but alright. This person wants to balance things out. I don't know if I said it. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio, and I'm seeing a Sagittarius here. But see, it's like they're not positive. They're not positive at all. And it's like communication is going to come in. Because they do want to have this new opportunity with you, but they're just afraid that you don't want to have a victory with them. They feel like they're not going to be able to have wish fulfillment with you. They're not going to be able to have a happy home. The seeds that they planted with you, they feel like it's not going to grow. Like, yeah, they messed up. But see, they're not. This person is persistent, okay? They're not giving up. They're coming back to give you an offer. But here they go in their head again. They feel like because they cause an imbalance, you're not going to take them back because of the past. But they do want a future with you. They want a family with you. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini. But they're frustrated because they feel stuck. But they're going to make a decision. There's the Queen of Wands, and it's like she came out reversed. So Aries, this could be representing you. You know, it's like maybe they're thinking that you're not positive about them. Somebody's dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. This also could be somebody that was interfering between you and this person. It could have been like a mother figure. It could be a family member. It could be a love interest. There was somebody interfering. See, that's why they're worried. Yep. So, it looks like they made a decision. What's their decision, Spirit? What's the decision for Aries? They made a decision about you, but they're afraid things may not improve, and that's why they're not taking a leap. Because they're afraid they're not going to have this new beginning with you. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces, but they know that they have to tell you the truth about either them having other options, or they're trying to figure out how to speak their truth to you. Yeah, this person, y'all, they're coming back, but they're taking their time. They're taking their time because they have to play this one right, and they don't know how you're going to react to them. So, Aries, please leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonates for you guys. If you're interested in a personal reading, please email me, and I got you. But yeah, leave me some comments. Let me know, like, what's this? Like, what's going on? But I will talk to you guys soon. You know that I love you. Yeah, stay positive, okay?